With Portl Polygraph, you can fix AI hallucinations in a single click. Portl's fixes include a full audit trail. GPT said that Maxton Hall Season 3 is expected in late 2026. However, the source says that Season 3 is expected in early 2026. GPT says that Season 1 arrived in May 2024. However, the source says that Season 1 arrived in March, not May. Portl also lets you know when the chatbot's response is correct. Correct responses also come with a full audit trail. You can see for yourself that the response is correct. Correct responses also come with hallucination-free citations. Chatbots give you instant responses, but Portl gives you instant answers. Using Portl is easy. Access your favorite chatbot through Portl. Portl includes access to Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, and GPT. When you need to take action on a response, click Paragraph Proofreader. Then click any paragraph to find and fix hallucinations. Portl is your complete solution to AI hallucinations.